If you wait until a seasonal sale has already started to look for products, you're probably too late. And seasonal selling isn't just about the holidays. You can plan around spring, summer, back to school, Black Friday, Christmas, New Year's, and plenty of other opportunities throughout the year. So I partnered with Doba to find 3 products that could work well as holiday gifts. But I'll also show you how these same 3 gifts could be promoted during other seasons. Yes, indeed. We'll compare them with similar products sold on stores like Amazon. Check the potential profit and make sure the supply and shipping actually makes sense. Because the goal isn't to find one seasonal product and sell it once. It's to plan early and find different ways to market your products throughout the year. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get Hey, okay, so let's get started on Doba. So many products I want to talk about. Oh, look who's there. Okay, influencer pets. All right. They have pet products. They have everything you need, okay? Look at the natural wellness. I love those products. Keep your air fresh. Okay, they're talking about the summer travel vacation. I see the luggage. Look at this first product I want to show you. The Nightlights Creative Mini Clip Lamp Learning USB Charging Lamp. You can charge it with the USB charger. This is great if you know a student. This is great if they're going back on campus in the dorm room. This is great if you need a little stocking stuffer. This is only $7.30. It comes in white. It comes in black. And look how much, look at this, only $7.30. Okay, you know you can make a profit off of this. If you buy it from Doba, $7.30. I love this. You can clip it onto your blouse, onto your top, shine down onto your book. It's so flexible. It bends 360 degrees. It has that little, look at the bottom. It has like a little foundation so it can stand up on a desk. And it's so small and portable. You can fit it like in a little purse. This is equal to like if you're trying to give a little gift, something inexpensive like a little traveling case is equal to that. This is so affordable. You giving it to somebody like a teacher as a gift. How about, on the holidays, you want to exchange gifts, but the rule is you can't go over $25 if you're going to be exchanging gifts. This is the gift. This is the gift you give. Okay, when you exchange gifts, you do the Secret Santa or whatever you're doing. This is the gift. I'm telling you, makes a stock and stuff. Makes it. If you're an avid reader, somebody who's an avid reader, I would promote it just like that. I would promote it now for the holidays. Look how much eBay is selling it for. $15. Same exact mini book light, portable clip light. They're using the same photos. I'm telling you. If they're selling for $15, I'm going to sell it for $12.99 or $13, still make a profit. Still make that profit. And look at the stand I was telling you about. And I'm going after the students. if I'm going to make a TikTok ad, this is great for students. And I'm going to go after the holidays. A great stocking stuffer. This is what you do. This is how you place your ad. You go after the holidays. You know what's going on. This is the time. Back to school sale. This is it. Put it on you, clip it, show that you can read your book on it. This is how you do it. It's versatile. I would be bending it all around, showing people that you can, move it around while you're reading. This is a magnificent gift. And it's inexpensive. This is a great gift for anyone. Okay, so now we have the electric warmer tray, food warmer trays for buffets, warming trays. It can warm up glass, ceramic, metal, plastic, aluminum foil, and enamel. This is awesome. This is like that mid-level gift. This is the gift where you're invited over to a beautiful dinner party. This is what you bring the hostess, right? This would be equal to a car vacuum, or maybe, those candle warmers, okay, that you plug up, the electric candle warmer. This is that type of gift. You can give it to a hostess. This is listed for $27.19 on Doba. If you pick it up, $22.10. Shipped out of the US, they have 406 in stock right now. Okay, it'll be delivered between 2 and 7 days. Let me tell you, this is shipped from the US, so it's going to come out quick. And this is great for catering. If you're a caterer, this is wonderful. You keep all the food warm. This makes a great gift for a college student. All right. If I'm going to make an ad for this, I would do it right now for like college students back to the dorms. This is great. Keep their food warm. I would also make an ad focusing on Thanksgiving. I would think about the holidays right now. Look how much Walmart is selling for $49.99. Look at the difference. I would sell this for about $45 and still make a profit. Buy it from Doba, sell it for $45. And you will still make a profit. You put a TikTok ad together showing the holidays, showing food being warmed up for Thanksgiving, Christmas. I would start making those ads now. Look at this. Enjoy the warm meals anytime. Yes, because it stays warm. This makes a great gift for a teacher. This is a great birthday gift, especially if you know that person can cook. This is everything. I love that it has adjustable temperature, and so you can have it warm. I think it goes up to like 185 degrees Fahrenheit, if I'm not mistaken. This is a wonderful gift if you know that person likes to prep food, a student, a hostess, a great Christmas gift. This is who you go after. $49.99. Make that an ad, and I'm telling you, for $45, $46, how about $45.99? That's what you make. Say I said $49.99. No, make it $45.99. You made a profit from Doba. You sell it, you buy it from Doba, you made a big old profit. And this is a wonderful, wonderful gift. No one's going to say, no, I don't like my food warm. No one's going to turn that down. That is a thoughtful gift. And it's mid-range. It's not too expensive. It's not too low. This is that great gift. You're getting to know someone. Here you go. You know, you're invited over for a dinner party. Here you go to the hostess. This is what you bring. Okay, now check this out. The Plum Chef Espresso Machine 20 bar professional compact home hold coffee espresso maker. Let me tell you, you see it says $72.64. If you pick it up, $55.79. Okay, it's coming from the US. 55. It is as low as $55.79. They have 111 in stock. It's shipped from the US. You can get this as soon as 1 to 5 days. That's how fast it can come to you. I'm telling you, $72 is a wonderful price for this. Now, you know you're going to make a profit off of this. You know everyone is doing that fast coffee. And what I love about this, it has low noise. You know a lot of those espresso machines are loud. This one isn't. This one's a low noise. This is a higher value gift. This is great for like Cyber Monday, Black Friday. This is when you start promoting it now. You want to get those people that's into that Black Friday sale. This is how you sell this now. For $72.64, if you pick it up, it's only $55.79. You're going to make a profit. I'm telling you, people are selling this for way more money. Okay, you could do a latte, a cappuccino. You could do all of that with this. All right, I love this. Mocha, espresso. You could do it all with this one machine. Okay, everybody's doing this gourmet type of coffee now. And look, Amazon's selling for $99. $99. You gonna make a profit. How about selling it for $95.99? And it comes in different colors. I love this. I love it. This is a great Christmas gift. If you really know that person, this is great. If you're doing a Black Friday sale, I would start promoting it now. I would get this and start promoting it now. This is great for the holidays. How about Mother's Day? What a great gift. Father's Day. These are like, look, this is a gift you buying for somebody you care about. All right. People buying this, they care about that person. You know what I mean? They're trying to impress that person. Look, I spent some money on you. This is a beautiful gift. Look at this. And put the video in. If you're going to do the ad, add a video to it. I'm telling you, it will make your item, your product sell way faster. Put the video in. Look at this. This is an amazing gift. A little bit higher, high value, but this is that gift that you're saying, I love you. I care about you. This is it. This is the gift. I'm telling you, I showed you three different products. You got the lower price, the mid-range, and the higher value price gifts, all different prices, but for each gift, there's someone for it. And I'm telling you, if you market it correctly, you could sell out. You could sell this. You have to know who you're marketing to, how to market it, and how to promote it. There's a way to do this. And I'm telling you, if you price it correctly, you will not have a problem selling these products. These products can pretty much sell themselves. If you do it right, you're good. You're good as gold. And this is why seasonal planning should happen throughout the entire year. A product you promote as a holiday gift in November can become a Mother's Day gift in the spring, a graduation gift in the summer, or a part of a back-to-school campaign in the fall. You don't always need a completely different product. Sometimes you just need a different audience, offer, and marketing angle. I'm so excited for you. Did you like those gifts? Yes. If you want to start researching products for your next seasonal campaign, I'll leave my Doba link and discount code in the description and pinned comment, okay? You can use my code to get 20% off your first qualifying purchase. Just remember to plan early and compare the product cost, supplier, shipping time, customer demand, and potential profit before adding anything to your store. Check out Doba below and start preparing for your next selling season. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can learn more about the other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you'll try drop shipping with Doba. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.
That go.